just tastes different. Probably tastes better.
What, down
Steak
south?
sausage
Yeah, it always.
compared to ours.